Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. This is Motions Biz, and today I am bringing you a video. I just wanted to share a milestone in my daughter's credit journey, and this is with Navy Federal. And I'm just so excited to share it with you because it only shows that nothing is impossible, even for teenagers, people who are just beginning on their credit journey, teenagers especially. And if you have teenagers in your life, in your family, you can help them so much get started the right way. So, as of today, I'm very excited to share that my daughter, in less than a year, with banking with Navy Federal, doing all the things that I did with Navy Federal, including a few strategies that I helped her with, as of today, she was so excited to show to me her credit score. And this is her credit score as of today. Got her started on the Navy Federal Nrewards secured credit card. Again, in less than 7 months. She has not graduated yet, but she was approved for the cash rewards for $1,000 primary account for her. Now, that started about 2 months ago. And again, just yesterday, she was looking at her credit limit, and guess what? They have increased her primary credit line for the cash rewards credit card for $2,000. I mean, how cool is that? And to think that she has not graduated yet with her Nrewards secured credit card. So if she can do it, you can do it too. So there are many possibilities with the Nrewards credit card, even if you have not graduated yet. So I will show you and share with you how we did that with her. And before I get started, of course, I just wanted to thank you all for sticking with me in this channel, and especially to our new subscribers. I thank you so much for being here, and I am so glad that you found this channel and you are learning from the information that I shared, and you applied it in your own strategies as well in your journey. And guess what? I am so just very appreciative that you share your journey here and your experiences as well. So to our new subscribers and my subscribers who have been with me since the beginning of Motions Biz, thank you so much, and I really, really appreciate you for being here. So I will share with you step by step on how I started my daughter with Navy Federal, and the strategies that we made, how to build her credit profile, and up to this point where she has her primary account and all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's get started. So I was able to share my Navy Federal membership to my kids, my son and my daughter, in I think it was about September, I think it was September, that I was able to get them into Navy Federal. And of course, I set them up the way I did myself. And I have videos of that. I'm going to share the links in the comment section and the description below about how I got them started on the Save First account and the Easy Certificates account, the direct deposit, all those things that really improve your internal credit score with Navy Federal. So it was pretty much trying to mimic my account with Navy Federal. So it took about a week or so before I added them to my cash rewards credit card for $25K, but I only placed the authorized user amount to $10,000 each limit. Okay, so that authorized user account has really helped them. So since my daughter started in September, during that time, I also got her started on the self account, the self reporting account. So I also have a video of that on her journey. So I will also share the link on my video about her journey with the self lender account, okay? Because that's really pretty interesting, because in a month, she was able to jump her score from 601 to 702 in just a month with a self-builder account. So it was not until in February that she was approved for a secured credit card. So I constantly was nagging her about going on again, getting online, get pre-qualified for. But the first 2 months, I think that she did that. She did not qualify for any of the credit cards. So by February, she finally was approved and pre-qualified for the Nrewards secured credit card. So we deposited $500 to that. And I taught her how to put things on auto pay, use it for her gas, use it for little expenses, but to make sure that she has something on auto pay and to keep her usage, below 20-30%. And she was very good with that. At first, how kids are, they're very passive about what mom tells them. So, but she made sure, and I made sure that that was an automatic payment. Now that she has that credit score, she now believes me, and she is very careful about things. She has finally learned. Now, can you imagine if your teenager or young adults would learn that at a very early age? It's really very helpful for you as a parent, as an uncle, as a grandparent to educate them on that. That's the best thing, one of the best legacies that you can leave them. So before I forget, I think it was in January that I let her do a pledge loan worth $250. So we did a pledge loan for her, and she was paying that regularly also until it was paid off. So now she has the self-lender account. She has an authorized user account for my Navy Federal cash rewards for $10,000, and she has the Nrewards secured credit card. Okay, so I was working with her on how to strategize things and work on it so she can progress on it better. The Nrewards credit card in February of this year, February 22. So February, March, April. Okay. When May came, first week of May, I nagged her again and bugged her again. Okay, go ahead and do a pre-qualification. Okay. So that's what we did. We did a pre-qualification, and lo and behold, okay. Now, what happened was she qualified for all the credit cards, finally. Now, after only 3 months on the Nrewards secured credit card. So, of course, we were very excited. And I said, okay, go for the cash rewards credit card. So she did that. It was not a late night hack. She was too excited, I guess. So I told her to wait, but she didn't wait, apparently. She told me, Mom, sorry, I just had to really jump the gun. So, but still, she was approved for $1,000. And she was very excited because now she has a $1,000 credit limit on her own. Okay, it was not a secured credit like with a self-lender Visa, but and I'm sure that also counted to her credit profile. But now she has her own, and so she was so excited. So 2 days ago, she received notification, and she actually received a new credit card, the Cash Rewards credit card. And when she opened the paper, guess what? They have increased her credit limit to $2,000. So again, she was like, Mom, guess what? My credit limit with Navy Federal on my Cash Rewards credit card is now $2,000. And she was very excited with that because she never had her own credit limit and her own credit card. So she was very happy with that. So when she told me that, I said, can you please check your credit scores? And so she did. And she came to me and she said, Mom, are you ready? Because I was always bragging about my credit score and how you need to do this, you need to do that to keep your credit score higher. And she showed me her phone. And guess what? 765 credit score. Now, in all the 3 credit bureaus, she was averaging anywhere from 758 to 765. So that's pretty good for a teenager who was only 601 in September, okay? So from September to up to this point, she increased her credit score, she increased her credit limit, she has now her credit limit, and I noticed that in the past 2 months, we were receiving a lot of like pre-approved credit cards for her. Discover, Capital One, Credit One, of course, but I said, don't do Credit One. And although I have a Credit One credit card, I said, just don't do it. But I keep my Credit One credit cards just for the age, okay? So that was what we did, and she was so excited. So I just thought that I would share that with you just to enlighten a lot of you teenagers out there, who are just beginning with your credit building, that this can help you so much in the future once you know what to do, once you understand what makes up your credit score and how you can manage your expenses, your finances, so you are at that level. Because whether we like it or not, credit is here to stay. And it's almost like you get judged by your credit profile when you apply for a mortgage, when you apply for a car, when you apply for a business, and everything. So there may be changes that will come and go, but credit is here to stay. So I thought that if you will hear and learn from the experience of my daughter, that this can also help you, help your teenagers, the young adults in your family, and even for individuals who are rebuilding credit. It is so possible. So it can really happen. So again, thank you so much for following me on this channel. I appreciate you so much, and I'm glad that you're here. And I will be sharing just some of the steps we took on how my daughter got here, okay? Because I am sure that a lot of young folks out there have not really seen like the beginning of my journey with Navy Federal. So I will just be updating some information so those folks can also learn about, little steps, little strategies that I took, and maybe it can also enlighten them and guide them on their journey. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video.